In today's video, we're gonna learn how to turn on post notification on Instagram. If you also want to know how you can do that, make sure you watch this video till the end. Well, it's quite easy to turn on the post notifications. If you want to see the notifications of a particular page, when they post, you'll get a notification for each post they make. So to get started, open up your Instagram. Now you simply need to open up the profile of the notification that you want to receive. After you open up the profile, here on the top you'll see a bell icon. You can tap on that, and here it gives you a few options. You can see options like posts, stories, videos, reels, and live. So if you turn any of these options on, let's say if I turn on the post notifications, I'll get notified for every video that Nat Geo posts. You can also do the same for stories, videos, reels, and even live videos. So yeah, that was the process on how to turn on post notifications on Instagram. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be soon back with more videos relating to Instagram. Thanks for watching.